Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I'm back with another DIY, and this time I'm going to be making coconut milk shampoo. First ingredient you need is you're going to need 1 cup of any type of soap. I'm using just a regular soap I got from New Aromatics Directions. It's also a good idea to add a couple tablespoons of your favorite type of oil. I'm using avocado and grapeseed oil. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. The reason I suggest milk powder is because sometimes if you use the actual milk, it can rot and also make your shampoo smell bad. If you are wondering where I get my cosmetic jars and bottles from, I will put the link in the description. Since I already washed my hair, I'll just be using it on my hands. My mom and my sister both use this in their hair and they love it. It left their hair feeling very nice and not dry at all. So if you got these ingredients lying around your house, just give it a try. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.